Hello everyone, I am Om Prakash. Recently, I was talking about the coding and non-coding profile in our Salesforce ecosystem. And I was telling, if you dream in code, if you love coding, then Salesforce developer profile is for you. You can explore lots of skills. You can learn Apex, you can learn Lightning Web Component, and you can be a very good Salesforce developer. One audience who was a beginner asked me, Om, I just started learning coding few days ago. I don't know I love coding or not. I don't know I dream in code or not. Can you please help me to identify if coding is my potential, if I can be a good coder? Well, I was just smiling, and this was a really very interesting question for me. If you have also the same question in your mind, you have just started learning coding, then please be with me for next few minutes and you will get the answer if coding is for you or not. First of all, what I have explored, what I have learned, and as per my experience, I can say you, everyone can do coding. Everyone can learn coding. But more important thing is interest. How interested you are. What is your motivation to learn coding? Sometimes it happens. Someone told you development profile has a very good salary. If you know coding, you can earn lots of money. You have a bright career, and you started learning coding. But motivation should not be like this. Someone told me, but the motivation should be according to your interest. Let's do a very quick testing. See, you are learning coding, right? You have just started learning. Or if you have zero knowledge, you don't know anything about coding, then before going for this test, I suggest please learn some basic concepts. If I say basic means very basic, just you need to know what is class. I'm talking about the object-oriented programming concepts here. What is object, what is variable, and how to assign variable, how to call a variable. Well, very basic. That is enough for my test. Now, you can learn very easily on any weekend these concepts. Let's go for testing. Find out your 4 or 5 free hours, especially I suggest on weekends. Write some code. Yes, very basic. I'm talking about just create a class, just declare few variables. Just go ahead and use variable like integer x, integer y. It's better if you use integer first number, integer second number. Variable declaration, right? Now declare a third variable that will be integer sum, and simply sum equal to a plus b. Yes, I'm talking about those basic level. Now call those variables in another class, print these variables, just play with the variable, object, class, methods, and spend your initial, as I told, 4 to 5 hours in troubleshooting, in exploring more on these basic concepts only. Okay. In these 4 or 5 hours, I will explore. You have written lots of basic code for a basic calculation, finding the largest number, smallest number, just basic concept in just sum, multiply, division. Okay, so in these 4 or 5 hours, you will find one thing. Are you enjoying? Just ask one question from yourself. Have you enjoyed these 4 hours? Well, If I say enjoyed, means simply you are very excited, you are very much interested for do more. If you printed a plus b, then you're excited. Okay, how can I write a minus b and how can I print those? So if you ask this question from yourself, have you enjoyed those 4 or 5 hours? Then you will get 3 answers. 3 different type of answers, depends individual to individuals. First answer can be, yes, it was exciting for me, but I got stuck in assignment of variables. I was getting lots of compile time errors. So it was like very, not interested. Well, here is the lack of knowledge. Means I suggest please go ahead and re-skill up those basic concepts only basic here I am talking for this test, and come back again for the same test. Second answer can be, yeah, those 4 or 5 hours was very much interested for me. I was feeling more connected. I was enjoying. I can spend next 4 hours for doing the same thing again. I can spend my nights for these things, learning these skills and writing some basic program. Yeah, so you found the answer. Go ahead, continue your learning and go and build your career in development. You'll find more adventure. You'll find lots of things. You'll learn lots of advanced topic. Third answer, I was able to write this program. I was able to print the value of both numbers. I was able to write this program, but it was not exciting. It was too boring, man. I doing this because I need to earn lots of money, right? Means you are able to write the code, but it's not exciting for you. Means, to be honest, as I experience, I suggest that go ahead and find the non-coding role for you. Because if you are not enjoying the code, if you are not interested in coding, then no need to build your career in coding. There are lots of non-coding profile, especially if I talk about our Salesforce ecosystem, then we have lots of non-coding profile with lots of success stories. People don't write any single piece of code and they earn lots. They have successful career. Salesforce consultant, business analyst, these are some of the examples. So it's all about interest, all about your personal excitement, your path. But again, everyone can learn coding, everyone can build career in coding, but really you need to develop interest for that. If you are not enjoying, if you are not, means just go ahead, learn more and build your career according to your choice. Motivation should be your choice, your interest. Motivation should not be something depend on others, right? And go ahead, visit trailhead.salesforce.com/career-path and you will get to know more about all the Salesforce careers. Thank you.